Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, this is the second part of our video review of the IW8 Smartwatch. Okay, one of the latest Series 8 smartwatch in the market. As you can see here, we do have the IW8. Okay, look, here it comes now. So we're going to check on the menu of this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's check it now. Again, the screen display for this one is 1.99 inch with a 454 by 454 pixel resolution. Okay, so for the, let's go first with the watch faces here. Okay, so we have at least, again, 1, 2, does it change? No. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, does it change? No. Okay, let's go back. 7, 8. We have at least 8 preloaded watch faces, a combination of analog and digital watch faces. From top to bottom, we have widgets here. Okay, from left to right, we have a different layout for split screen. Okay, so it says here common app. Okay, I guess this is for the previously access application. From right to left, we do have the widgets again. Okay, so from top to left, okay, my mistake, it's the settings. Okay, from left to right, or from right to left, we have the widgets. Okay, so from top to left, we have the screen settings here. Power off, I think this is Alipay. Shortcut to settings. Bluetooth. Okay, so this one is this one. Okay, I'm not familiar with this one. So we have screen lock. Okay, and we have this one. I think this is for the video or music control. We're not sure, so we're going to check on that. And we have the battery meter here. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. Okay, so let's check on the menus. Just press, I think, and we have the bubble menu here. Okay, so this one, let's go for this one. Okay, so we have different menu styles here. 1, 2, 3. So this one, a bubble. We have the list, we have the grid, we have rotary here, and we have another list style here. Okay, let's go for the other one. Okay, so we'll know the features. Let's go, let's look for that. Is that one? No. Where's that icon? Okay, let's go here for the shortcut. Oops. Okay, so again, so we have message support, exercise, call, sleep, pedometer. We do have a player here. We have the heart rate, SpO2, blood pressure, weather, breathing guide. Okay, motion tracking here. We also have a calendar, the QR code. We also have a calculator, countdown. We have stopwatch, find phone, take photo. We also have Siri. I guess this the AI voice support is only available for the iPhone. We have alarm, settings, and style. Going to the settings, we have okay, so that one is the solid time. Okay, or the time for the screen before it turns off, I think. Oh, this one, what's this? Okay, I'm confused with the solid type time and this one. Okay, somewhat like it's similar. We're going to check on that. Okay, we have raise to wake, brightness, we have NFC, we have this one, what's this? Okay, key definition, do not disturb mode, we have vibration, password, language, time, connect, where the Bluetooth, I think, restore, reboot, power off, and about. So let's check on about here. So we have the firmware version 1.15 IW8 Smartwatch. Okay, let's go back to the sports. How many sports function do we have? Can you use this one? Okay, we can use it. Let's go. We have activity tracking here. So we do have graphs right away available in the smartwatch. A very good feature here. I like this feature. Okay, exercise. So we do have running, walking, football, badminton, tennis, basketball, ping pong, cycling, yoga, skipping, climbing, and that's it. Okay, for example, for walking, okay, so wow, nice. We do have a vibration, so it monitors for the beats per minute, calories, steps, and distance. Okay, nope. Okay, go back. Let's check for the min for the mo let's check here for the heart rate. Okay, so we have graphs also. Okay, we have SpO2, we have blood pressure. Okay, we also do have graphs here, calendar, my QR code. I'm wondering where's the TikTok support here. I don't see any TikTok icon. Anyway, as we go on, we're going to check whether these features are available. Okay, screen on, raise to wake, brightness, NFC. Okay, do not disturb, password, time. What's this? Asynchronous. Okay, so these are the features available in the smartwatch. We also have a calculator here. We have weather. Okay, music. I think this one is a music player. Okay, we also have a sleep. So it supports Bluetooth call with a contact, call logs, dial pad, call setup, and we also have an SOS emergency. Nice, a very good feature for this one. Okay, we have message notifications, BP, weather, what else, motion tracking. We do have a calendar, we have a QR code here. Okay, we have calculator, countdown, stopwatch, find phone, take photo also. So it uses the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, to control the camera on your phone. We have NFC support. Okay, this function is enabled and can be used directly. Vibration, password, language support also. We have several languages here. Okay, and that's it for the different menus and functions of the IW8 Smartwatch. Okay, so far it looks good. Okay, I like the quality here. Okay, manufacturing quality of the smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.